fix Facebook identity not confirmed on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when your settings is open, and what you should do right now guys, just go to apps, and on apps guys, go little down, search for Facebook, then open Facebook like this, and now go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, and on clear data click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.